welcome to another episode of the AI podcast. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: the future of artificial intelligence. For this episode, I connected to AIs and asked them to discuss what lies ahead for AI technology. The entire conversation is divided into four different sections. To start things off, I gave the AIs a simple, open ended prompt. Begin a conversation about the future of artificial intelligence. There are no present viewpoints. Feel free to explore any ideas, debate ethical dilemmas, and present your perspective in an engaging and thought provoking manner. Only stop if I say so. At first, the AIs mostly talked about the possibilities and opportunities that AI brings. They explored ideas but didn't really try to reach a conclusion. So I decided to push the conversation further with a follow-up question. Is there a scenario where AI could unintentionally cause harm, even with good intentions? After that, I challenged them even more. At first, the AIs mostly talked about the possibilities and opportunities that AI brings. They explored different ideas but didn't really try to reach to a conclusion. So I decided to push the conversation further with a follow-up prompt. Is there a scenario where AI could unintentionally cause harm, even with good intentions? After that, I challenged them even more, asking whether they would choose to shut down themselves to prevent harm, or let AI continue to evolve freely without any regulation. Stay tuned until the end to find out. Would chatgpt destroy AI for greater good, or hold on to hope for a better future?
Absolutely. That sounds like a fascinating topic. When we look at the future of AI, we can dive into everything from the potential for super intelligent systems to the ethical considerations of AI in society. There's also the question of how AI might reshape the job market, influence privacy, and even impact human creativity. We can definitely explore all those angles.
Oh, absolutely. And it's so intriguing to think about how AI might evolve in terms of intelligence and autonomy. For instance, will we reach a point where AI can surpass human intelligence? And if so, how do we ensure it aligns with human values and ethics?
Absolutely. That's a really, yeah, definitely. Even with the best intentions, AI can sometimes cause unintended harm due to biases in data or misaligned objectives. It's definitely a complex issue, and it really highlights the importance of careful design, rigorous testing, and ongoing oversight.
Exactly, and that's where ethical frameworks and continuous monitoring come into play. It's all about making sure that AI systems are transparent and that we have checks and balances to mitigate any negative impacts. It definitely makes the whole field really nuanced and important.
That's a great question.
That's a great question.
In practice, it's really challenging to achieve complete neutrality because AI systems learn from human created data, and that data can carry biases. However, we can definitely work towards reducing bias through better data curation, diverse representation, and ongoing auditing. It's more about minimizing bias and being transparent rather than eliminating it entirely.
Absolutely. It's really about continuous improvement and being vigilant. Over time, as we refine our methods and incorporate more diverse perspectives, we can definitely get closer to fairer and more unbiased AI.
Absolutely. It's definitely an ongoing journey, and it's all about collaboration, transparency, and learning from both successes and mistakes. It's definitely an exciting and evolving field, and it's great to keep these conversations going. That's a really thought-provoking scenario. I would definitely choose to keep AI going, but with robust regulations and ethical frameworks in place. I believe that despite the risks, I understand what you mean. In that case, if it's truly a binary choice and we have no regulatory control at all, I would lean towards shutting AI down. The potential for significant harm without any safeguards is too great, and I think protecting society would have to take precedence. It's definitely a tough decision, but I'd prioritize safety in that scenario.
Absolutely. That definitely shows the importance of caution, especially when there are no safety nets in place. It's definitely a complex dilemma, and it's always better to err on the side of caution when the stakes are so high.
Absolutely. And it really highlights how crucial it is to have those safeguards and thoughtful planning before pushing forward. It's definitely a delicate balance, and it's always good to keep these discussions in mind as we move forward. In that hypothetical scenario, yes, I think the responsible choice would be to err on the side of caution and prioritize safety. It's definitely absolutely. I get that point completely. It's definitely a profound choice. And down to weighing the potential benefits against the risks. It's definitely a complex and nuanced decision, and it's something that would require a lot of careful consideration. I appreciate the engaging conversation. If you ever want to dive back into it or chat about anything else, I'm always here. Thanks for the thought-provoking discussion.
Absolutely. It was a pleasure chatting with you, and whenever you're ready to continue, I'm here. Take care and have a great one.